SMCI, we featured the $500 puts. I bought the $300 puts at my cost is $1, okay? And they're up to 10.90. Buy now, pay later. $320 puts on SMCI, which is well below the market, was $180 strike price down, but it's paying big. And I'm on it myself, and I own them very cheap. You know, you could got in at 50 cents, 40 cents down here. You got something working. You got the big reversal working. You got the buy now, pay later, no credit. You got everything at your fingertips. Join now, get paid, buying below the market. The puts were 40 cents. We could have got them at 20 cents. 90-day trades.